इस शर्ट की कीमत क्या है? What is the cost of this shirt? What is the cost of this shirt? इसमें कितना समय लगेगा? How long will it take? How long will it take? खेलते समय मेरे पैर में चोट लग गई. I hurt my leg while playing. I hurt my leg while playing. उसकी नाक बह रही है. His nose is running. His nose is running. विनीता ने एक मधुर गीत गाया. विनीता sang a sweet song. विनीता sang a sweet song. कल उनका एक्सीडेंट हो गया. He met with an accident yesterday. He met with an accident yesterday. मैं आपसे कुछ पूछ रहा हूँ. I am asking you something. I am asking you something. कहने की जरूरत नहीं कि वह पागल है. Needless to say that he is mad. Needless to say that he is mad. पूछने की जरूरत नहीं, वो पहले से ही जानता है. Needless to ask, he already knows. Needless to ask, he already knows. ये फायदे का सौदा नहीं है. It's not worthwhile. It's not worthwhile. क्या वहां जाना फायदेमंद है? Is it worthwhile going there? Is it worthwhile going there? बहुत देर बाद राम आया. Ram came after a long. Ram came after a long. वह बहुत दिनों बाद आया था. He had come after a long. He had come after a long. मैंने चैन की सांस ली. I took a sigh of relief. I took a sigh of relief. अब आप राहत की सांस ले सकते हैं. Now you can take a sigh of relief. Now you can take a sigh of relief. आप मुझे राम की याद दिलाते हैं. You remind me of Ram. You remind me of Ram. मेरी बात कुछ और है. My case is different. My case is different. अच्छा मम्मी, अब मैं फोन रखता हूँ, बाद में कॉल करूंगा. Okay mom, I have to hang up now. I will call later. Okay mom, I have to hang up now. I'll call later. तुमने मुझे बताने की भी सहमत नहीं की. You didn't even bother informing me. You didn't even bother informing me. तेरे पास कोई और रास्ता है? Do you have any other way? Do you have any other way? यहीं कहीं होगा. Must be somewhere here only. Must be somewhere here only. मैं रमन जैसे लोगों की मदद नहीं करता. I don't help people like Raman. I don't help people like Raman. इन्होंने ही रमन भाई को मारा होगा. They must have killed brother Raman. They must have killed brother Raman. मेरा वक्त ही खराब चल रहा है. I am going through a bad patch. I am going through a bad patch. जब तुम मुझे गले लगाते हो तो मुझे सुकून मिलता है. I feel peace when you hug me. I feel peace when you hug me. तुम्हें मुझे कुछ इज्जत देनी चाहिए थी. You could have shown some respect for me. You could have shown some respect for me. कौन हो तुम? क्या कर रहे हो यहाँ? Who are you? What are you doing here? Who are you? What are you doing here? तू यहाँ क्या करने आया था? Why had you come here? Why had you come here? मुझे तो वह हरमन जैसा दिखता है. He looks like Herman to me. He looks like Herman to me. पैसों को छूने की हिम्मत मत करना. Don't you dare touch the money. Don't you dare touch the money. रमन तेरे लिए कुछ कॉल आए थे. रमन, there were few calls for you. रमन, there were few calls for you. आपको मुझे जगाना चाहिए था. You should have woken me up. You should have woken me up. तुम इतने गैर जिम्मेदार क्यों हो? Why are you so irresponsible? Why are you so irresponsible? तुम्हें मेरी बात पर शक है? You doubt my words. You doubt my words. मैंने कहा था ना कि हमें यहाँ नहीं आना चाहिए. Hadn't I told you that we shouldn't come here? Hadn't I told you that we shouldn't come here? अब ठीक है? नाउ इट इज फाइन। नाउ इट इज फाइन। क्या आप बेहतर महसूस कर रहे हैं? डू यू फील बेटर? डू यू फील बेटर? क्या आपको किसी चीज की जरूरत है? डू यू नीड एनीथिंग? डू यू नीड एनीथिंग? तुम्हारा पेट गुड़गुड़ा रहा है। योर स्टमक इज रम्बलिंग। योर स्टमक इज रम्बलिंग। The B in rumbling is silent, so it's not rumbling, it's rumbling. Your stomach is rumbling. क्या तुमने नाश्ता कर लिया? Have you had breakfast? Have you had breakfast? Please pay attention on breakfast. It's breakfast. It's not breakfast. Okay. Have you had breakfast? दोपहर की झपकी ले लो। Have an afternoon nap. Have an afternoon nap. अगर सपनों को सच होता है तो हो जाते हैं। If dreams have to come true, it comes true. If dreams have to come true, it comes true. मुझे लगता है तुम्हें नींद आ रही है। I think you are feeling sleepy. I think you are feeling sleepy. मैं तो बस अपनी किस्मत को कोस रहा हूँ। I am just cursing my luck. I am just cursing my luck. अगर मैं कुछ गिरवी रख दूं तो? What if I gave you something as collateral? What if I give you something as collateral? मैं आज के बाद तुमसे कभी नहीं मिलूंगी और तुम मुझसे बात करने की कोशिश भी मत करना। I will never meet you after this day and don't you even try to talk to me. I will never meet you after this day and don't you even try to talk to me. तुम अपनी हद पार कर रहे हो। You are crossing your limits. You are crossing your limits. क्या तुझे कभी ऐसा लगा कि तू मरने वाला है? Did you ever feel you were going to die? Did you ever feel you were going to die? कितना ख्याल रखती हैं आप मेरा? How much you care for me? How much you care for me? तुम्हारी जेब में वो उभरा हुआ क्या है? What's that bulge in your pocket? What's that bulge in your pocket? हमें दूसरों का अपमान नहीं करना चाहिए। We shouldn't debase others. We shouldn't debase others. जूस को हल्के हल्के पियो। Sip the juice slowly. Sip the juice slowly. जहां कोई इसे कभी ढूंढ ना पाए। Where no one will ever find it. Where no one will ever find it. मैं तुम्हें जयपुर दिखाना चाहता हूँ। I want to show you Jaipur. I want to show you Jaipur. क्या तुम मुझे घर वापस छोड़ दोगे? Will you drop me home? Will you drop me home? सोच समझकर बात करो। Think before you talk. Think before you talk. तुमने मुझे पहले क्यों नहीं बताया? Why didn't you tell me earlier? Why didn't you tell me earlier? मैं किसी का चमचा नहीं हूँ। I am no one's stooge. I am no one's stooge. उसे लगा वह मैं था। She thought it was me. She thought it was me. घमंड मुझे कभी छू नहीं सकता। Arrogance can never caress me. Arrogance can never caress me. पुल पर जाओ। Go over the bridge. Go over the bridge. क्या वह उससे मिले हैं? Have they met her? Have they met her? क्या आप बैटरी बेचते हैं? Do you sell batteries? Do you sell batteries? मुझे कॉफी की आदत लग गई है। I am addicted to coffee. I am addicted to coffee. थोड़ा और लो। Have a little more. Have a little more. वो जिंदगी और मौत के बीच जूझ रहा है। He is hovering between life and death. He is hovering between life and death. मुझे पैसों की सख्त जरूरत है। I am in a dire need of money. I am in a dire need of money. क्या चाहिए तुम्हें? What do you want? What do you want? भाई रीना देखने में कैसी है? Brother, how is Reena to look at? Brother, how is Reena to look at? दूर हो जाओ मेरी नजरों के सामने से. Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight. किसने भेजा ये? Who has sent this? Who has sent this? एक दिन वो मुझे देखकर मुस्कुराई. One day she looked at me and smiled. One day she looked at me and smiled. कोई इसे घर में नहीं रखता. No one keeps it at home. No one keeps it at home. मैं कुछ का जुगाड़ कर सकता हूँ फिर भी हमें कम पड़ेंगे. I can manage some but we will still fall short. I can manage some but we will still fall short. समुद्र में वो उभरा हुआ क्या है? What's that bulge in the sea? What's that bulge in the sea? क्या वह आ गई है? Has she come yet? Has she come yet? क्या आप किराने का सामान बेचते हैं? Do you sell groceries? Do you sell groceries? मेरे मुंह में पानी आ रहा है. My mouth is watering. My mouth is watering. कुछ खाने को ले आओ. Get something to eat. Get something to eat. क्या आप इसे ठीक कर सकते हैं? Can you fix this? Can you fix this? क्या तुम बास्केटबॉल खेलते हो? Do you play basketball? Do you play basketball? क्या तुम मुझ पर एक एहसान करोगे? Will you do me a favor? Will you do me a favor? मैं तुम्हें नहीं छोड़ूंगा. I will not spare you. I will not spare you. तुम उसके कान में क्या फुसफुसा रहे हो? What are you whispering in his ear? What are you whispering in his ear? उसने घाव पर मरहम लगाया. He put ointment on the wound. He put ointment on the wound. हीरो बनने की कोशिश मत करो. Stop trying to be a hero. Stop trying to be a hero. मैं आपका बहुत एहसानमंद हूँ. I am very grateful to you. I am very grateful to you. आपको ये आइडिया कैसे आ गया? How did you come up with that idea? How did you come up with that idea? एक दिन में कितनी चाय पीते हो? How much tea do you drink in a day? How much tea do you drink in a day? अगर इतनी ही जरूरी बात थी तो क्या वह वही नहीं कह सकती थी? If it was so important, couldn't she say it right there? If it was so important, couldn't she say it right there? मैं अब घर जा रही हूँ. I am going home now. I am going home now. लेट मत होना. Don't be late. Don't be late. क्या उसे आमंत्रित किया गया है? Has she been invited? Has she been invited? फिलहाल तुम यहाँ इंतजार करो. For the time being you wait here. For the time being you wait here. क्या आप अंग्रेजी पढ़ते हैं? Do you study English? Do you study English? मेरा पेट भर गया. My stomach is full. My stomach is full. लंच का समय खत्म हो गया. Lunch time is over. Lunch time is over. फिलहाल मैं तुम्हें ये किताब दे रहा हूँ. I am giving you this for the time being. I am giving you this book for the time being. वे आसपास नहीं दिख रहे हैं. They are not seen around. They are not seen around. थोड़ी और कॉफी लो. Have some more coffee. Have some more coffee. इस बार वो बचेगा नहीं. This time he can't escape. This time he can't escape. सुना नहीं क्या तुमने? बहरा हो गया है क्या तू? Didn't you hear? Have you gone deaf? Didn't you hear? Have you gone deaf? नींद आई ठीक से? Did you sleep properly? Did you sleep properly? किसका फोन बज रहा है? Whose phone is ringing? Whose phone is ringing? वह मुझे भड़काने की कोशिश कर रहा है ना? He is trying to provoke me, right? He is trying to provoke me, right? ये गलती दोबारा नहीं होनी चाहिए. This mistake should not be happened again. This mistake should not be happened again. मुझे अपना नंबर देना. Give me your number. Give me your number. हम एक दूसरे के यहाँ आते जाते नहीं. We are not in visiting terms. We are not in visiting terms. चलो टहलते हैं. Let's stroll. Let's stroll. वो बेहोश हो गया. He has become unconscious. He has become unconscious. क्या खाना अच्छा बना है? Is the food good? Is the food good? पूरा खाना खत्म करो. Eat up your lunch. Eat up your lunch. मुझे दूध से एलर्जी है. I am allergic to milk. I am allergic to milk. इसमें ज्यादा दिमाग लगाने की जरूरत नहीं. This is no brainer. This is no brainer. उस दिन से. From that day on. From that day on. तुम्हारी शादी करीब आ रही है. Your marriage is drawing near. Your marriage is drawing near. कल रात मुझे बहुत गहरी नींद आई. I had a sound sleep last night. I had a sound sleep last night. उसने हर कदम पर मेरा साथ दिया. He spotted me at every step. He spotted me at every step. क्या मतलब? What do you mean? What do you mean? तू मुझे आंख क्यों मार रहा है? Why are you winking at me? Why are you winking at me? तो तू दिमाग में एक बात रख ले. So bear one thing in mind. So bear one thing in mind. तुम्हारे अलावा और कौन बर्बाद हुआ है? Who else got ruined along with you? Who else got ruined along with you? वो भी किसी के बच्चे हैं. They are somebody's children too. They are somebody's children too. तुम्हें कुछ नहीं होगा, मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूँ. Nothing will happen to you. I am here with you. Nothing will happen to you. I am here with you. उसे नौकरी से निकाल दिया गया है. He has been fired from the job. He has been fired from the job. क्या आप ये मानते हैं? Do you believe that? Do you believe that? क्या तुमने डिनर कर लिया? Have you had dinner? Have you had dinner? इससे मेरा काम चल जाएगा. It will serve my purpose. It will serve my purpose. घाव से खून निकल रहा है. The blood is oozing from the wound. The blood is oozing from the wound. हमेशा की तरह माशा मेरी गोद में आई. As always, Masha came to my lap. As always, Masha came to my lap. दहेज प्रथा हमारे समाज के लिए एक अभिशाप है. Dowry system is a malediction for our society. Dowry system is a malediction for our society. क्या आपने खा लिया है? Have you eaten yet? Have you eaten yet? मैं फीका दूध पीता हूँ. I take unsweetened milk. I take unsweetened milk. क्या कल बर्फ पड़ी थी? Did it snow yesterday? Did it snow yesterday? मैंने अपनी शर्त रखी. I laid my condition. I laid my condition. वो इसका आदी हो गया है. He has been addicted to it. He has been addicted to it. मैं किसी का इल्जाम अपने ऊपर नहीं ले रहा. I am not taking anyone's blame. I am not taking anyone's blame. मेरा कल रात से पेट खराब है. I have indigestion since last night. Last night. I have indigestion since last night. बहुत अच्छे से. Quite well. Quite well. तुम्हें आने में इतना टाइम क्यों लगा? What took you so long to come? What took you so long to come? Changing room वहां पर है. Changing room is over there. Changing room is over there. एक बात है जो मैं कहना चाहता हूँ. There is one thing I would like to say. There's one thing I would like to say. उसने माचिस बुझा दी. He extinguished the matchstick. He extinguished the matchstick. पति पत्नी में ये सब होता रहता है. These things happen between husbands and wives. These things happen between husbands and wives. आज मेरी जिंदगी की नई शुरुआत है. Today is the beginning of my new life. Today is the beginning of my new life. मैं 6 महीने के बाद उसका चेहरा देख पाया. I could see his face after a lapse of 6 months. I could see his face after a lapse of 6 months. क्या आपको ऐसा नहीं लगता? Don't you think so? Don't you think so? बहुत ज्यादा मत खाओ. Don't eat too much. Don't eat too much. बातचीत से करीबी बढ़ती है. Conversation increases the proximity. Conversation increases the proximity. तुम खाली समय में क्या करते हो? What do you do in your leisure time? What do you do in your leisure time? क्या आप मुझे दिखा सकते हैं? Can you show me? Can you show me? धन्यवाद, इतना बहुत है. Thank you, that's enough. Thank you, that's enough. तुम्हें अपनी गलती मान लेनी चाहिए. You should confess your fault. You should confess your fault. आतंकवादी हमले सुरक्षा खामियों की वजह से होते हैं. Terrorist attacks occur due to the security lapse. Terrorist attacks occur due to the security lapse. मुझे भारतीय खाना पसंद है. I like Indian food. I like Indian food. मैं अब घर जा रही हूँ. This is your homework. Write down your answers in the comment box. I will see you in my next video, and thank you so much for watching till here. I will see you in my next video. Till then, God bless you all. Take care. Bye bye. Keep practicing.